This is my breakfast for today. My breakfast for today. Griddle cakes with broccoli and carrots and beef sausage with ripe fried plantains and fritters. Yes. Griddle cakes, broccoli and carrots, beef sausage, fried plantains and fritters, and with some black tea. That is my breakfast for today. While I watch and listen to my friend on his Ellis. So this is what I'll be having here this morning. Broccoli and carrots, griddle cakes, fritters, beef sausage, and ripe plantain, and black tea. Yes, black tea. And my background is CNN in the background and Mr. Ikim Rosales. Griddle cakes, broccoli and carrots, beef sausage, ripe fried plantains, and fritters. That is my breakfast for today. So I hope this is balanced enough. But it is delicious. And I'm going to enjoy it. You are watching the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support always. I love you all and appreciate you very much. And appreciate you all the time. Always. Stay safe, my friends. See you on my next